class. Today's topic is geometry. Why do we need to learn geometry? Because any shapes, geometry means mostly shapes. So in our daily life we can see so many shapes that are linked with the geometry. So if you learn the geometrical shapes and lines, you can understand, you can easily explain to everyone in which shape it is. Let us take an example of this duster. This is also a geometrical shape. Let us learn and then we can understand in which shape it is there. Let's start. First we will start with the lines. There are three types of lines now I gave. Here you can see there are arrows for this line and there are dots for this line and a single arrow for this line. So what does this means? If there are two arrows at both the ends, means there is no ending point. It will go on like this. This is called a line. So line which has no ending is called a line. And if we take part of this line that have ending points, means both ends have the ending, that is called a line segment. Line segment. And if we have only one continuation and ending at one side, it is called a rail. So no end points, it is a line. Both have end points, it is a line segment. And one side it is having an end point and one side it is continuation, it is a rail. We have two different types of lines. One is a straight line and one is a curved line. See, if the line is not straight like this, then we consider it as a straight line. This is a curved line, curved line. Anything that is not straight is called a curved line. But if it is having a straight path, then it is a straight line. Straight lines are of three types: horizontal or sleeping, that is like this, vertical, or standing like this, or a slanting, yes, like this. Okay, sleeping, where consider your body. When you are sleeping, your body is like this, head and legs. While we are sleeping, our body is like this, and while we are standing, we are in a vertical position. When we are sleeping, we are in horizontal position, and if we want to do slanting, it is a slanting position, means slightly bent. If we take this diagram, example, how many sleeping lines are there? 1 and 2, sleeping, or horizontal. Horizontal 2 and vertical, standing lines. Standing 2. And what about the slanting lines? There are two slanting. Now coming to the 2D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional. means it has only length and breadth. What are the 2D shapes? This is a square. Rectangle. Triangle. Square. Okay, these four are called two-dimensional figures. Why? Because they only have breadth and length. Let's take some daily items for these examples. Square, we can have erasers, square erasers, duster, triangle samosa, and circle ball. Next, coming to three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional length, breadth, height. See, this is a cube. This is a cuboid. If all the sides are equal, then we call it is a cube. And if two sides are equal and this is a cuboid. Cone. Cylindrical. Let us learn the shapes again. Cube, if all the sides are equal, then it is a cube. If two sides are equal, then it is a cuboid. It is a cone that have curved surface. It is a cone, and two curved surface. It is a cylindrical shape. Now let's learn about the face, edge, vertex. Edge is also called side. Vertex is also called corner. Okay. Face is a flat surface. These terms in diagram. See, if I take this duster, this flat surface is a face. So, flat surface is a face. And this is also a face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces for this. So, face. And these points where they join called vertex edges. The joining points are called vertex and the sides are called edges. Next, coming to the topic, symmetry. Symmetry means having same image like the other. See, if we take an example of butterfly and if we make it into half, this half is this side and this is like this. So, can a butterfly make two symmetrical images? Yes. This one butterfly, when we move or cut or rotate, it gives two identical images. So, when an image is removed or cut, it gives an identical image, means same image. That is called symmetry. Next example, if we take a ball, one is so if we join these two, what will happen? It becomes a ball. So a ball can be made into two halves which are identical. So ball is a symmetrical image. And next, if we take B, if we cut or flip, it gives two. So B can also have a symmetry. If this is one image, what will be the symmetrical image of this? So the symmetrical image of this is this. If the question is given like this, draw a symmetrical image of this part, then you have to draw like this.